Momo versus Webull Canada, best trading app for you. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Momo and Webull Canada. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about Momo. Momo is a commission-free trading platform that offers a variety of features for stock and options trading. Pros of Momo: commission-free trades on stocks, options, and ETFs, advanced charting tools and technical analysis, offers extended hours trading, access to real-time market data, provides paper trading for practice. Cons of Momo: the user interface can be overwhelming for beginners, limited educational resources compared to other platforms, no mutual fund or bond trading available. Now, let's talk about Webull Canada. Webull Canada is a commission-free trading app that focuses on providing a simple and intuitive experience for its users. Pros of Webull Canada: commission-free trades on stocks, options, and ETFs. Great for beginner traders with its user-friendly interface. Offers paper trading and educational resources. Access to real-time market data and advanced charting tools. Free stock bonuses for new users. Cons of Webull Canada: no mutual fund or bond trading available. Limited to Canadian stocks, no international trading available. Limited customer support options. So that's basically the main differences between Mumu and Webull Canada, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.